why Sanskrit? So Sanskrit is actually samskrita, and that sam is the same root as the word sum. So when you add things up, and you find out what the total is, what everything is worth, the sum of everything. And then krita is the same root as creature or creation. Sanskrit is that which created everything, the sound which created everything, like we have in Christianity, the word in the beginning that was with God and that created everything. So that's the idea with Sanskrit. And the story is that there were Rishis, or ancient sages, who meditated and were able to contact the different fundamental energies of nature, the fundamental energies of creation in this world. And that became the alphabet of Sanskrit. Each of those vibrations, and of course those are put together in words. And there have been studies showing that Sanskrit does affect the brain a little differently than other languages. And it's not that other languages don't have their own benefits. Each language has beautiful things about it. The language of diplomacy, I think that's French. And then English comes from Angaland, or the land of the angels, so an angelic tongue. And Sanskrit is very, very useful for mantra yoga, which is a form of yoga that uses sound as a formula for change.